So come to the next question, that is our question number 4. In this question we have to express each of the following as a product of prime factor using in a exponential form. We have to convert this number in a prime factor form and write that factor in the form of exponent. So we have to first find the factor of 108. You can see in unit place there is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. In unit place there is a odd number, so it is not completely divisible by 2. So come to the next prime number, that is our 3. What is the rule of 3? The sum of all digit is divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 is a 9. 9 come under 3's table, so it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So write all factors of 108, that is 2 into 2, that means 2 square into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. Similarly, you have to find the factors of 192. Even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 1 carried become 12, 2 6s are 12. Again even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 9, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So what is the factor of 192? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6 into how many times 3 is here? 1 time. That means 3 to the power 1. In the place of 108, you have to write these factors, that is 2 square into 3 cube. What is sign here? Into sign. Write that. What is the factor of 192? 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. Now you can see a to the power m into a to the power n, base is same, power is different and both are in multiplication. So write the identity. A to the power m into a to the power m, n is equal to a to the power m plus n, that is 2 to the power 2 plus 6 into a to the power m into a to the power n, 3 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4. Write reason here. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So 2 to the power 2 plus 6 is 8 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. In such a way, we have to find the factors by using prime factorization method and write that factor in the form of exponential form. So write down. So first of all, we have to find the factor of this number by using prime factorization method. 270. In the unit place there is a even number, so we have to divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Again you can see there is a odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So come to the next prime number, that is our 3. What is the rule of 3? We have to add the all digit. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 come under 3's table, so it is completely divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carried become 15, 3 5s are 15. So it is 45. It is even number, unit place number is 5. It is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So what is the factor of 270? You can see how many times 2 is here? 1 time. 2 to the power 1 into. How many times 3 is here? 3 times. That is 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1. Write down the factor of 270, that is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1. Come to the next question. First of all, we have to find the factor of 729. Unit place is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. What is the next prime number? 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 come under 3 stable, so it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again you can see 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, 2 carry, it become 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. What is the factor of 729 is equal to, how many times 3 is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 to the power 6. Now find the factor of 64. 64 is a even number, so it is completely divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are again even number, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are, and last 2 1s are 2. What is the factor of 64? How many times 2 is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 to the power 6. In the place of 729, we have to write its factor, that is 3 to the power 6. Into, in the place of 64, we have to write the exponent form of 64, that is 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power. You can see base is different but power is same. If base is different and power is same and both are in multiplication, we have to use fourth identity. According to that identity, we have to multiply base and write the common power. That identity is a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. 3 2s are 6, 6 to the power 6. In such a way, we have to find the exponential form of given expression. So write down. So we have to find the factor of this number by using prime factorization method. 7 6 8. In a unit place there is a even number, so it is completely divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again even number, 2 1s are 2, 1 carried become 18, that is 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, again even number, 2 3s are 6, and last 3 1s are 3. What is the factor of 768 is equal to, how many times this 2 is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is 2 to the power 8 into how many times this 3 is here? Only one time, that is 3 to the power 1. This is our required answer in the form of exponential form. So write down.